The efficiency of biomass transfers between trophic levels can be calculated by percentages or fractions of mass. So the efficiency of transfer as a percentage is equal to the biomass in a higher trophic level divided by the biomass in a lower trophic level multiplied by 100. This pyramid of biomass shows the biomass at each level of a food chain, including a tree, aphids, birds, and then a hawk. If we imagine the tree contains 100% mass, when we're talking about the efficiency of biomass transfer, we're considering what percentage of this mass passes on to the aphids and so on. In the exam, how might you be expected to use this equation? The diet of pandas is composed of mainly bamboo. Use the values in the table to calculate the efficiency of this biomass transfer. For step 1, we need to identify the command word in the question. In this example, the command word says to use the values in the table and also to calculate something, so we know we need to manipulate numbers. What's the next step? Step 2, write out the equation needed. So the efficiency of transfer as a percentage is worked out as the biomass in a higher trophic level divided by the biomass in a lower trophic level multiplied by 100. Step 3, identify the higher trophic level and then input the values. Remember that because the bamboo goes into the panda is the consumer or a higher trophic level. So then our equation is going to look like this. The biomass value for the panda is going to go as the numerator, the top number, as it's the biomass of the higher trophic level. And the biomass for the bamboo, 250 kilograms, will go as the denominator, because this is the biomass of a lower trophic level. So we do this division and then multiply the value by 100 to get the percentage efficiency transfer. Step 4, calculate the answer and include the units. So if we run this through a calculator, we find out this is equal to 0.086 times 100, which equals 8.6%. Remember, you always need to consider the units of an answer, and as we're working out a percentage, we must include this percentage sign. Step 5, use the fact that you cannot transfer more than 100% of biomass to check your answer. You can also use the fact that approximately 10% of biomass is normally transferred to check your answer. Because 8.6 is not bigger than 100%, we can be pretty sure that this is the right answer. This value is also around 10%, which is expected between trophic levels.
Thanks for watching. If you want to take your GCSE revision to the next level, head over to launchpadlearning.com and check out our smart learning platform that's been designed to get you top results in your exams. We cover your whole specification and make revision fun with interactive quizzes, easy to follow videos and more. You'll be kept motivated by your own AI tutor who's here to support you every step of the way. To check it out for yourself, click here. Or click here to keep watching a selection of the videos from our full GCSE Biology course. See you there!